You ever heard of Puff the Magic Dragon? I think we all have. Well, tonight we're making a Sleepy Teeny and it's called Peaches the Magic Dragon. What do you think you would find in Peaches the Magic Dragon? I'll give you one hint. Do you think it's a peach? Yeah. Do you think it's dragon fruit? You betcha. So what do we do with that? We do what we always do. We start with a muddling glass. We take a knife. We prep things for the muddling glass. We need peach. So how do you make a Peaches the Magic Dragon without peach? We cut it into slices to make it easier to muddle. We drop it in the glass. And we add chamomile tea as our base. Now you could put like a sparkling water if you wanted to, but I just prefer chamomile tea. So, muddle. That's the next step. This peach is so perfectly ripe that you're going to sort of get it at the height of its flavor. Now we put that in with the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit helps you with your sleep as well. Don't believe me? Look it up. Mix them all together and you get a beautiful peachy colored mixture. So, next step, martini shaker. That's how we roll. Ice. Strainer. In we go. Okie dokie. I'm going to keep all the pulp out. If you make some Sleepy Teenies and you have all this pulp, I bet this would be a great fertilizer for your garden. All natural, fresh ingredients. Nothing in there to hurt anything. Put the lid on and shake. All right. Martini glass. That's how you serve a Sleepy Teeny. And here we go. Ooh. Look at that color. Very, very peachy. I bet it tastes like peach too. Almost like drinking a peach, but a little bit more to it. So, Peach the Magic Dragon, peaches, dragon fruit, the chamomile tea, put it all together, voila. You know what you need to do. Subscribe to our channel if you want to hear more about this and other great content. We have so many things coming that I'm not going to tell you. You got to come and visit to see. But boy, oh boy, we got a lot of stuff coming up that I know you're going to like. Subscribe, like, notification bell, tell your friends, join us on the channel, comment below. We need to hear comments. We can't improve if we don't know what you like and what you don't like. Sleep Science Today. Remember, sleep science today and sleep better tonight. See you over on the channel.